Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap using Binance. So to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap using Binance is pretty simple. So here we're in our CoinMarketCap, so all we have to do is go to our portfolio. From there you see I have no portfolio, so I need some final touches. All you have to do is go to the top left corner of your portfolio until you see the two arrows up and down, and then wait for it to load. And then all you have to do is add your new portfolio and connect your Binance account. Name your Binance account right here. You can even change your avatar if you want to. So we're going with bull market right now. So let's save it. So let's just press here, Binance wallet. So there you go. And then press connect with Binance. It'll redirect you to the Binance application. You can also do this in your other types of devices using Android, even your MacBook, even your Windows laptop. So here, just press continue and you will have account access to CoinMarketCap. But guys, beware that CoinMarketCap only reports on trading activities of 1,000 markets but does not directly sell any cryptocurrency. But you can connect your Binance in this way, so that where you can find to buy is by looking on the market section for cryptocurrency. So for example, to find where to buy Bitcoin, you can look at the market section for Bitcoin here in your CoinMarketCap. So basically that's it, and there you go guys. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.